you get bald head ho. See it if you, it's giving me life, guys. Can you? Oh shit, it's not working with me because I told a who has no hair on her headset something. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kweenzilla. If you're seeing this pretty face, this pretty girl for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. And if you've been seeing this pretty girl right here, right there, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, before we get into this video, I don't know if you guys will be able to notice, but yes, my whole personality, my whole aura feels down. I'm not all bubbly. That's because it's actually been a really long month. I haven't felt like, even like up till today, I haven't felt like filming. This video was meant to be out since last month or the first week of this month, but I just couldn't put myself in front of the camera and come and smile at you guys and be like, welcome, let's start, let's do this hair. Oh yeah, it's a hair tutorial from a hair company that I've been able to work with before. So they sent me another hair, they sent me packages of hair, and being like, it's been difficult. I'm so glad that they've been able to understand, because it's actually been difficult on my part. The wonderful hair we're going to be reviewing today is again from Joedir hair company, and we're going to be looking at the wig WSB Lace Frontal Yaki in the color 1B. So I'm going to unbox it and show you guys what's inside. So of course, when you open up the box, you have a wig cap right here. You also have a band for the edges or where you want to lay the frontal. You have some 3D lashes here, and then of course the hair. I'm going to film this video before, but then I just stopped in the way, so I've actually taken the hair out of the net it comes in. But this is the hair. It's a frontal right here, and it also has some baby hair in front. I'm going to start by, of course, putting the wig cap on my head. I still have my hair in mini twist. I just had to like put it all the way back, so I hope it actually stays flat. Not, this is me actually struggling to put on a wig cap, not the actual wig but the wig cap. So bald head ho. Right now you guys can see through the camera I'm rocking this look. So this wig has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb at the back. It also has an adjustable strap right here, and I'm gonna put this on. So let's put the wig on. Who is this? Oh my god. Okay, I think I'll need to move my wig cap all the way back, but oh my god. Who is this? Who is this? Oh my god, she's so gorgeous. I'm dying for this hair right now, guys. Can you see? I'm living for this hair. So like always, okay, you guys can see they do have some baby hair. I feel like this has been pre-plucked. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. I haven't done anything to the hair. It has been pre-plucked, and of course baby hair, which looks like a baby. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix it. So like always, you know what I always do, I'm gonna cut this lace off camera, then I'm gonna come back to you guys because I'm going to show you guys how I'm gonna lay this wig. Okay.
So lovelies, I decided to cut the lace on camera because I wanted you guys to see how easy it actually is to cut the lace. And if you see, I cut a lot of lace because I normally don't glue my wig down, but if you do, you should leave a bit of lace. And here I was trying to use the got2b styling glue to see if it will hold the frontal down, but I guess I was just playing myself for real. I really don't know what I was expecting, but it didn't hold it down at all.
So I think I'm just going to go on with this whole tutorial because the glue is not feeling me and there's nothing I can do about that. Edges or anything. Let me brush this through. I love it, guys, because it's so smooth and then it also feels like real hair. I'm feeling myself, baby girl. Who is this? It is, oh shit, it's not working with me. It's not my fault. I tried, guys. I should. It's lifting, but don't worry, next time your girl is gonna be all set with some free spray and some got2b glue because I should invest in that. Anyway, let's get our edges done. These look so long. I actually still want to cut it a bit because they actually feel too long. Nobody's baby hair is that long, for God's sake. So I'm going to get my Juvia's Place concealer and this flat brush, and then I'm just going to go down the middle. Oh my god. We are winning today. We are winning today. Of course. Now let me, oh my god, can you, oh my god, this feels so good, guys. I'm not even lying. So I thought that I would actually have to straighten this hair out, but I actually like it like this because it does have volume and it kind of gives it this natural, you get. So stay down. So this is the hair in all its glory. This is how long it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, so my final thoughts on this hair is that I actually didn't know I would fall in love, like, cause straight black hair it's not something that you would see me in, but I'm loving this, guys, and it's so soft. It's not getting, like, you guys see I've been flipping it back and forth, and it's tangled free, it's soft, and it's not that, like, for this cap it's not that tight. I'm actually loving this hair, guys. You do not even, you can't even understand. This hair is giving me life. Like, who is this pretty girl? Like, you know, anytime you get some inches on your hair, you start to feel like you're that. No one can tell you nothing, and that's the way I feel. Because what you gonna tell me? What you gonna tell me? What? Okay, so on a more serious note, this hair is actually really soft. It's tangled free, and again, it's like a 360 parting, so you can part it anywhere you want. I know I made it a middle part, but you can part it anywhere you want. You can make it a side part. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna wear it in a side part next. You can make it in a side part. You guys can see there is zero to no fallout at all from my hairbrush. I'm going to leave the link to this beautiful hair in the description box below, and you guys can check it out. Okay, So you've come to the real end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it, because I'm actually really happy right now that I've actually been able to film. Okay, that I've actually been able to film for you guys, and just I'm putting a video out on my channel, so that makes me happy. And again, if you like this video and you want to see other hair tutorials or hair reviews, you can hold on. Okay, like I was saying, if you like this video and you want to see other hair reviews, hair tutorials, I also have a playlist on my channel for my natural hair. You can check that out if you're interested in natural hair and hair care, hair tips and stuff like that. And also, I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a while, so if you guys would like to see it, let me know. And what other thing am I forgetting? Of course, how can I not tell you guys to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet? It's going to be really helpful to me. It's just about 5 seconds to subscribe. Just click that red button, that subscribe button below, and you'll be subscribed to my channel. And also don't forget to click the notification bell, because I feel like some of you don't get a notification anytime I upload. So make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can get a notification from me anytime I have another beautiful video. And okay guys, stay safe, keep your mental health in check, and support as many Black owned businesses as you can. Support the movement, Black Lives Matter, and sign as much petitions as you can. Anytime, if you're scrolling down your timeline and you see a petition, read about it and sign it, because petitions do help. I'll see you in my next videos, lovelies. Don't miss me too much. Bye.